we're going to work on some of the chords that we worked on last time and the time before, and add a new chord here on this one to go along with it. Remember last week we were doing G, and then this week, well then A minor we did before, the week before, and then D, well last week I think we did D and G. Now today we're going to add one, a new chord. It's a minor chord. It's an E minor, and you know the first lesson we did an E, just like that, and it was kind of like, remember if it was like an A minor, only same pattern as an A minor would be, only just up a string on each one of them. But this is going to be an E minor, so it's just going to be 2 fingers, second finger, third finger on the 5th and 4th strings, both on the 2nd fret. Shouldn't be a real hard chord to get. Really one of the easier ones. So the pattern it will be going in with is a G, then it's going to go to E minor, then I'm going to go to an A minor, then to D, and you don't have to do all this work around the chord. That'll take a little time, a little practice, but I will go through it with the just the main chords. So that's I was using my thumb pick, so this time I'll go through it with just the regular pick, and you'll just start off with the G. 4 times, then E minor, downstrokes, then A minor, then D, then it just repeats and just keeps on going. So we'll do it real slow, and at first you have to remember to get your D, or your G, I'm sorry, your G, and well a D too, but G first. So you grab your G 4 times now. Then we'll go to E minor 4 times. And A minor 4 times. Then D 4 times. Then back to G. Now in some of my future lessons I'm going to turn on some drums, maybe even some bass, but start off with drums to make it a little more simple, so you can hear things, and I'll put that so we have a little beat, so you we can kind of get together and play it all at on the same tempo and everything. But for now we're just learning the chords. I'll just kind of create a little bit of a tempo, and it'll be real slow. And so get your G. I'm going to go. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. Now A minor. Now D. G. E minor, A you're saying to yourself, man, I'm a little bit fast there, I couldn't keep up, I don't know the chords, that's okay. Just practice each chord separately and try to go through yourself and make up your own little rhythm there, you know, a 4 or 2 or 8 if you want to, it doesn't matter. So then, because you get used to changing those chords, because later on, you want to get to the point that that's with a straight pick, just some rhythms, and obviously most of you won't be able to do that right now, but I want to show you what is possible, and that's why I'm doing some of these things, so that you can go, oh, okay, so that's how I can work up to. Same thing if you're going to use the with the finger picking. There's all kinds of different things you can do, but it's all based on that. And sometimes instead of the A minor, you can put a C in there. A minor, C, and D, and back to G. So it works either way. A minor can be substituted for the C, and kind of the same way, the other way around, depending on the song. But anyway, for the songs, you can substitute either one. So keep on working and keep on picking, and we'll see you next lesson.